What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to set up YouTube in any language and any country that you would like. So the first step is to go on YouTube. Let's do exactly that. Good. At the top you have three dots. Those are the settings, and you can see here you have language. I'm gonna leave it to English. Good. And you can select that again, and down below language you have location, and you can set your location the way you like. I'm gonna set mine to United States, and you can see here at Explore you have the trending videos from US. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Is that easy? Is that simple? Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.